If you're using real-time shipping quotes, the shipping carrier you're using normally requires 3 items to accurately give you a shipping cost. First, it needs to understand where the product is shipping from, the destination it's shipping to, and finally, the dimensions and weight of the total order. What we can do is we can set up within 3dcart 1, predefined boxes, and 2, the maximum weight that will be in those boxes for real-time shipping quotes. So if we come over to settings and we come over to shipping, we want to hit the edit settings underneath shipping settings. The first thing we're going to look at is the max box weight. The max box weight will send a calculation request for the order and base it on multiple boxes if the order exceeds the weight limit. So for example, if the order is 80 pounds, the store will send a call to the carrier and factor in 2 boxes on the order. So if we're using, for example, U.S. Postal Service flat rate boxes, 70 pounds is the maximum weight. The second thing we can do is to set up some predefined boxes. The predefined boxes will let the merchant have a series of boxes that are pre-measured and have different fill rate and sizes. The store will then try to fit each order in the smallest box, and if it's too big, will go to the next one and so forth. It's a way for the store to offer a sort of volumetric shipping. So if we come into configure boxes, what we can do is we can add a new box. Now, as you can see right here, we have this box, and you may or may not see this box when you go ahead and do your boxes. I see this because I have US Postal Rate automatically integrated with my store. So I can click down and I can choose a small flat rate box, and we can say it's 95% filled because I need a little bit of room for packing materials such as peanuts or wrapper or bubble wrap. But we can add that. Oops, and you can see it tells you if you're missing something. In this case here, maximum weight is 70 pounds, which is what U.S. Postal Service requires. We can add. Let's add in another one. In this case here, it's going to be a medium flat rate box. Again, 70 pounds is the maximum, and again, 95% fill. And finally, let's add in the large flat rate box. And again, 70 pounds is the maximum and a 95% fill. So anytime the customer adds products to their cart using the dimensions available, the system will try and fit it in to the smallest box available and move up as it needs based on dimensions. What we can do is we can save and we can go back. We want to make sure we're using predefined boxes as well. And that's how easy it is to create predefined boxes.